quite literally in your hands with our delightful series, Hand Blender. Hand blenders are one of the most essential devices in any active kitchen, and this particular model will wow you, both with its looks and efficiency. As part of our Premium Delight series, it's partly covered with silicone, allowing for easy grip, and its beautiful light blue color adds to the aesthetic experience of cooking. Stainless steel blades make mixing, chopping, pureeing easy, quick, and efficient. This 4-in-1 device comes with a removable blender attachment, a whisk for beating eggs or kneading light dough, a potato masher, a food chopper, as well as a 550ml measuring cup. It means that you can use it to mix, chop, blend, or mash, all with one device. For a picture-perfect kitchen area, the cables can be conveniently hooked away for easy storage. Isn't it delightful?